Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Main road is just behind me there. I was just driving past and spotted all this, so I thought I'd just come back in, do a little wander around. It's a car club of some pretty nice vehicles. Here's a video on it. Start off with a 996 GT3, often criticised for the lights, but that's a matter of taste. Merci. Next to it, I don't know all these individual models, so I'm going to have to kind of traipse around the badges and stuff. Another GT3 Spyder RS. That's the GT4 RS of the Porsche Cayman. See if I can do this. A GT3 RS, that's 991 I think. Nice motor. Boxster S, 718 Spyder Boxster. Nice. Boxster S. One of the newer versions, Boxster. And a Carrera GTS. Just over here's one of the oldies. He's still got his tow-away thing for track on his bumper. Look at the size of these wheels in the back. Wow. RS 3.8 Carrera RS. It's one of the older ones. Beautiful. Mostly Porsches here, but there are some exceptions. Cayenne, Mercury AMG, Porsche, another 996 version, Maseratios also. Wow. Go and have a look, see how it's badged up. Sometimes better to look around the back of these cars. That's beautiful. That's one of the newer ones too. So just a quick look and a bit of car spotting in the car park of the Hotel Les Bartavelles. So that's it. A couple more to have a look at. Thanks very much for watching. Ciao. So nice. I nearly went searching for one of these, an 88, the V8 Quattro, but I couldn't find one that hadn't been to the moon and back that was an acceptable price. So from the Mercedes dealer, there's a nice vehicle. Peugeot, beautiful colour of red on this Porsche. Have another look. Carrera 4 GTS. We've got a little Peugeot here. I just got a wet leg off of that. Yeah. Oh well. Cool me down. It's a warm day. 27 degrees here. Targa. So well presented, all these cars. Right, I need to watch this. And here we have 911 Carrera GTS, and we have, just to finish off with, a turbo. Wow. And another one of these things to get my leg wet. Beautiful. So yeah, just to say, I came past, you can see the main road just ahead of us there. I thought, yeah, got to go back and have a look at this. The exhaust on that, I think they're Akrapovitch exhaust on that, by the looks of it. Yeah. So I do know something. This is the getting ready for summer, put the top down. So not only is this the Spyder RS, the Visac package with a lot of carbon fibre on it as well. So probably my favourite car here. If I was to take one away, if I had one space in my garage, that's the one. So I think this is the putting on of the soft top. Quite a procedure. But really for Alpine roads, this would be much better than the likes of a turbo or a GT3 RS, whatever. Smaller car, just as quick, much more nimble than most of the other ones here. Quite a stir with these guys. Might even get this one starting up, I don't know. neutral rev limiter, but it still sounds good. So quick walk through just to finish off. I think these guys will be parting company soon anyway. Hitting the roads, hitting the Alps. Wow, that colour just is loud. Fantastic. What a car. There's that. What a car. The fastest car here is probably the Tesla in the background there as well. But I don't think it would be quite the same experience to drive it. Have a quick look and see which AMG this is. I think it's a C-Class V8 bi-turbo. Wow, what a machine. C63, yeah, C-Class C63S. That's one of the newer ones there. Off a quick machine. Nice.